All right, today I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid to an Infiniti QX series vehicle. All right, so this particular one is an 80, but it may apply to other models as well. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the Infiniti QX series. This happens to be an 80. In order to open the hood, what I'm going to do is the vehicle is in park, and I'm going to add the windshield washer fluid. I'm going to show you where to add it, okay? So in the vehicle in park, the vehicle is off. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door. And the reason why I open the door is because I want to be able to access the hood latch. Now, if you look towards the foot of the vehicle, you'll see this right here. This symbol right here is indicative of the hood, okay? Latch right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to go up like this and pull it. And did you hear that pop? And so the hood has been popped, and I'm going to walk around to the front of the vehicle. And once I get to the front of the vehicle, it is actually currently locked. It's popped, but I can't open it up because there's a safety latch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the safety latch, that yellow thing right there, take it, slide it to the side. This is what I slid to the side right here. And then the hood is open. Now to add windshield washer fluid, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the rear of the, right here. I'm going to look for this symbol right here. This symbol right here is the universal symbol for windshield washer fluid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, open this, and I can pour windshield washer fluid in there to refill it up. And once I refill it, I'm going to close it, and I'm going to come back, and I'm going to close the hood, just like that. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.